Hey everyone, welcome to another edition of Retail Minutes with me, Tim. Week 4 of our impact framework explanation. Right now, once you've looked at the investigate, manage, plan, and now it's time to look at the A, which stands for attain strategic partners. Ask yourself, who are the organizations or potential companies that could work with me and target the same customers that I do? Would they look into partnering with me? What are the activities we could work on together, and how do we share costs together? Because if you want to get out of this sales slump, you really have to look at what are the potential other retailers which are non-competing and targeting the same customer as you and can actually help you to strategically go out there and reconquer all that sales that you've lost throughout this lockdown. Look at this and come back next week for part C, where we talk about communicating with empathy from our impact framework. Till then, see you soon. Bye.